I'm starting a series that covers the fundamentals of JavaScript. This series is for beginners where you can learn essential concepts to get started. I'll be using CodePen to write code. Once you create an account, you will see something similar to this. We don't need HTML and CSS section, so I'll collapse them. And because we are writing JavaScript, its output will be shown in console. But if you want, you can directly write code in Inspect Element. Open your browser and open the Inspect Elements. Then open the console from here. Here you can write your code. Or you can also create a HTML file and open it in your text editor. Add a script tag inside head. And here you can write your JavaScript. Now open this file in browser, then inspect. We can see the output in console. If I add another console statement and then refresh the page, you can see the new output. In the next video, we'll learn about comments in JavaScript. Please support my channel and hit the subscribe button.